How was that? Dude. I'm dead. You were walking and sweat was dripping off your pinkies.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. About to get a workout in. It's about 6:30 in the evening. We're gonna be real crazy. We're gonna try out the CG V3 Ghost pre-workout. So be a legend, and this is gonna be legendary. Ooh, so it smells really good. The taste is good. It's a mild lemon lime. That's the flavor profile of it. Tastes kind of tropical. For pre-workout flavor, I say I'd give it an 8 out of 10, only because I'm not a huge lemon lime fan. But we're gonna test it out in this workout and see how it makes me feel. It's loaded with tons of ingredients. I'm not gonna read it all out to you, but basically, you got a little bit of a pump in there, you got a little bit of energy in there, and there's apparently a new ingredient in here that, if you know anything about beta-alanine, that's what gives you the tingly face, and it's supposed to block the tingles, but I've heard otherwise, so we're gonna test it out and see how it is. Let's get this workout. Alright guys, so about to get this workout going. Not sure what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be fun. We got some kettlebells, we got a sandbag, we got music, sewer acoustics. Let's go. All right, so to warm up, we're doing a little jog around. Gonna do about 4 laps. He's going up the stairs. I don't know about that. Here we go.
Like I can come home, man.
So it's important to get the heart rate up before you start your workout. This should be fun. All right, so for the workout today, what we're gonna do is a little circuit that we have going on here. First, at our kettlebell, we're gonna do kettlebell swings. So we got 25 of those. When you do this, you want to hike the hips back, grab the kettlebell, push those hips forward, use the glutes to do the movement. Like I said, we have 25 of those. And then moving on, coming down to the ground. And we have 20 push-ups. Make sure you have the whole body traveling together, coming down and pressing back up. Don't lead with your face, don't lead with the hips. That's a different exercise for a little bit later in the bedroom. And knock it out. Keep the arms at a 45-degree angle. We got 20 of these. Moving on from our push-ups, we got another kettlebell here. Video sponsored by Kettlebell Kings. You're gonna hold it by the horns, feet are shoulder width apart, squat down, and come back up. It's important to keep the core nice and tight whenever you're doing this. Coming down, driving through those feet. Do 15 of these. And then last but not least, we got Sandbag Sally right here. Clean it up, press it up over your head, come down on top of the shoulders. We're doing walking lunges. And eloquently put, we're starting out 1 brown spot, we're going down to 2 brown spots. So, take a big step forward. You don't want that knee to travel over the toe. Push through that front heel, come back up. We're gonna go down, all leading with the right leg. Knock out 10 walking lunges. Once you get down there, flip it around, come back with the left leg. Okay? That's it for the workout. We're gonna do this for about 30 minutes, set a timer, see how many rounds you can get through. Let's do it. Final round, we gotta push through. Alright guys, so thoughts on the CG V3 Ghost Collab Lemon Lime Legend Pre-Workout. It was delicious and it definitely gave me some good energy. I like all the ingredients in it. As far as that beta-alanine blocker, it worked for me. I didn't feel the tingles at all. I know other people have said otherwise, but it was good energy. Just reminding you, I took 1 scoop. I would definitely purchase this again. Too bad it's just a limited edition and they are sold out. So, gonna have to wait and see what the Ghost Boys do. I don't know. But anyways, it was a great workout fueled by a great pre-workout. Shout out to the guys over there. And definitely a keeper. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, well that is it for the video. If you enjoyed the workout, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on a single video in the future. And leave a comment down below if there's any videos you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to get that out to you. So until the next video, you guys have a good night.